Hey folks, welcome to the channel. Here with a quick summary of the day. So made some good profits today. It's not actually the 650 it says here. It's closer to 470. I took a lot of trades in pre-market, so around 8 o'clock, and caught a lot of losers and was just generally losing control at that time. So I was just flipping my positions, making really bad decisions. Lost quite a lot of money at that point. So I lost a lot in commissions there. Did manage to bring it back, but rather than 650, I made around 470, something like that. So fair amount to lose in commissions. But yeah, just happy that I did make it back and did gain control of myself, and had some good trading after that. But in terms of my first trade, so the 5-minute trade that I took in London, we were at the low of day, and then we essentially double bottomed here at the low of day. You can see it like that. We formed a double bottom. I wanted like you could have taken the entry there. I like waiting for good entries that I know how much I'm risking. I don't like risking more than a certain amount, given that NQ is fairly wild and you want to keep your risk pretty tight. So entered with a 100 tick stop loss with the stop at these lows, and we pushed into this. We actually inverted this bullish fair value gap, but we then just closed above it again and formed a little flag, and then eventually broke out. It's a really nice trade. Could have even got more out of it. So if I had been inclined, you could have just waited and looked for a bigger move. Just given the context of the double bottoming here, the bullishness in general, you could have held for a bit more, but it would have meant that you would have to have taken that move here. You'd have to accept that potential loss where we swept these lows and swept these lows before going up. But yeah, I'm very happy with where I took my exit and my style of trading. I prefer taking one-to-ones. So second trade I took, I was looking for a pullback into this range, into this fair value gap. I know we pushed out of it here, but it didn't really look nice to me for some reason. It just didn't look great, and I don't think it would have worked out, to be honest. If I had taken a long hair with this rejection of this fair value gap, I don't think it would have worked out. But anyway, I took the sell, got stopped out here, and then this sort of area is where I lost control. So at that time, I was looking at the 5-minute for the overall pattern, which is not what I should be doing when I trade the 1-minute or the 2-minute charts. I should be focusing on those charts when I'm trading them, rather than focusing on what 5 minutes is doing and trying to make it lead by trading. But essentially, I kept trying to short and then I think I longed here and got stopped out here or something, and then just a bunch of trades in this sort of area. You can see with all the fills, a couple of fills there, one there, one there, one there. I think it was just big short there. I think I took a long here and got stopped out here, so really bad trade, that one. Couple of fills here, couple here, couple here. Really bad trading, and that's where I lost most of the commissions, and I went from being $250 up to $250 down. So at that point, I just gave up for a bit. I was like, okay, I need a break. I need to walk away before I do a lot of damage. And that's essentially what I did. I just took a break for 20 minutes, came back here, and then just started trading normally again on the 1-minute, and caught some good trades on the move up. I think I sold a couple of times as well, but kept them quite quick. And then also traded a bit when the New York market opened. Took a loss based on a 5-minute trade that I was looking for here, the first thing, but did manage to catch some winners and eventually make these profits, and then eventually stopped trading around here. Closed my final position at the highs, and then it started dumping, and I was done at that point. I just closed down my trading. But yeah, in the end, I'm still trying to pass these accounts. I'm not sure if I'll pass them this week, to be honest. I didn't realize that it was we had Thanksgiving this Thursday. Obviously, I'm not from the US, so I don't pay attention to it ever. But we have got it. I think it's shortened market hours on Thursday and Friday, so I'm not sure if I'll trade those days. I'll see how it's moving. Sometimes it doesn't move very well at all. Sometimes it actually really you can like sometimes in these holidays you can catch really great trend trades as well. So I'll see how it looks like. If it's choppy, then I'll just give it a miss. So I might not pass these this week, but I will be trying to push them for the rest of this week if I can, and then maybe into the early parts of December as well. This one's doing fairly well. Got $1,000 left to make. A bit more on these accounts, but they're newer, so that's pretty much what I would expect. But yeah, anyway, it was a fairly good day today, other than some of my trading early in around 8 o'clock. Lost a bit of control here, but managed to pull myself together and push myself into some decent profits. But yeah, anyway, that's all from me. I'll call it there and be back tomorrow. Hope you've had a good day. Bye now.